A lot of people are asking this. Can you play digital downloaded games offline on your Nintendo Switch 2? Simply put, play online games offline. Here's everything you need to know about playing Nintendo games without internet. The very first thing that you need to make sure that the game you're trying to play offline supports offline play. For example, Asphalt Legends. This game will only support online play, so no matter what you do, you can't play it offline. So choose a game that supports both offline and online play or is totally offline. For example, Super Kirby Clash. This supports both offline and online play. So if I turn on airplane mode, which disconnects me from Wi-Fi, and jump back to the game, you can see the game is still playable. Another thing that you can often overlook is game updates. So before playing a game offline, make sure the game is up to date. Last but not least, while installing games, make sure your Nintendo Switch is set as primary device for your account. To check whether it's a primary account, open Nintendo eShop, choose your account, select your profile photo from the top right, then go to Settings, scroll down, and if you see Pass Enabled Console says this system, then it means it's your primary Switch and you're good to go. To play games offline on your Nintendo Switch 2, you just need to keep in mind these three simple things. Make sure the game supports offline play, it doesn't have any update pending, and you are the primary user or have set your device as primary. Hope you found this useful. Happy gaming!